In the days that followed, the village buzzed with excitement about Captain Aman's return. Children gathered under the same flickering street light where he once studied, their eyes wide with wonder. They listened as he recounted tales of soaring through the clouds, feeling the rush of wind against his face, and the breathtaking view from above. What was it like up there? One child asked, clutching the dirt beneath her feet as if it was solid ground. Aman smiled, his heart swelling with nostalgia. It's like riding on the back of a giant bird, feeling free and fearless. The children gasped, their imaginations taking flight as they envisioned themselves alongside him in the cockpit, escaping the confines of their little village for grand adventures high above the world. You can all be pilots too, Aman encouraged, his words filled with warmth and inspiration. Believe in your dreams, work hard, and the sky will be yours. Aman continued, his voice steady and captivating. I was once just like you, dreaming under this very light. The children leaned in closer, hanging on to his every word as he told them about the challenges he faced each moment of doubt and each setback that taught him resilience. You see, he explained, every plane needs a skilled pilot, and every dream needs determination to reach its destination. The village felt the weight of his experiences, echoing the struggles they knew too well. Inspired by his journey, one boy raised his hand timidly and asked, "But if we fail?" Aman looked into his eyes, a gentle smile touching his lips. Then you learn, and you try again. Failure is just a step towards success. The group of children exchanged glances, their fears slowly replaced with hope, emboldened by Aman's unwavering spirit as he spoke of believing in oneself against all odds. In that moment, the flickering light above them seemed brighter, illuminating not just their dreams, but the path to chase them. With every passing day, Aman found himself drawn deeper into the hearts of the children. They began to gather not only for stories but also to learn. Aman organized small classes, teaching them math, physics, and reading, sharing the knowledge that had once been his lifeline. The villagers watched in awe, realizing that the boy they once doubted was now pouring hope into the future of the village. One afternoon, as the sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the fields, Aman gathered the children around. Together, we can make our dreams soar, he said, his words resonating like a promise in the air. Education is our wings. The children's eyes shone with determination, realizing that the sky was not just a limit, but a vast expanse waiting for them to explore. As the weeks turned into months, the small classes blossomed into a community of learners, each child discovering the power of knowledge. One day, a girl named Nisha, inspired by Aman, approached him with a dream of her own. I want to become a scientist, to understand the stars, she declared, her voice firm yet filled with wonder. With a twinkle in his eye, Aman responded, Nisha, the stars are like distant dreams, waiting for you to reach out and touch them. You have the power to unlock their secrets. The children cheered, their spirits soaring higher than ever before, united by a shared determination to follow their dreams, just as Aman had done.